Just when I thought I was going alright with moving the radiator to fit a new thermo, I found a leak at the very top of the radiator up there. I don't know whether it's something I damaged or whether I twisted or bent the radiator and it started leaking, but it started leaking. So I've gone over and pulled the one out of the purple machine, which I know is in good condition. It is an automatic radiator, so it does have a heat exchanger in it, but that's not going to get used. I've then gone ahead and pulled the air condenser and air dryer out. That's the one on top, to make some space. So now we've got clean, clear, open run to put this new radiator in, put the thermo on while the radiator's not in the engine bay, make it nice and easy as well. And then we wire it up and fill it up, and where we go. That radiator was full of crud. The amount of brown horrible that's washed out of it is unbelievable. Now if you're a Falcon owner, and your Falcon's got an aircon condenser in front of your radiator, you need to check between the two. Under your radiator and lean it forward. Heaps of that fell off before I got to where it is now, and there was heaps more of that. So I'm going to suck all that off there, get that clean. I'm going to mount some thermos next. Let's get our thermos mounted. We'll put the radiator back in, fill it back up with a water glycol mix and test it.